friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today I'm super excited about this video because we're going to be testing out a few new products that I just cannot wait to test out. But before we do get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And that's about it, my friends. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into today's video. I am super excited about today's video because it is the first time that I will be testing out like the actual Jaclyn Cosmetics line. I do have her palettes with Morphe, but I have 0 products that just belong to her Jaclyn Cosmetics line. So I'm super excited to be testing these out for you all. So the product that I will be testing out and swatching for you all today is this one. It is the one in the blue packaging. Absolutely love the packaging, first of all. It's the one called Rouge Romance, and it's a blush palette. And here we have the beautiful shades. I definitely picked up the more warm tone palette just because I love those type of tones on me personally. But look at those shades, how gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and get started into swatching. I also have a lip product that I will be testing out for you all, but we're going to start with this blush palette first. So let's start with some swatches. So I am going to be swatching the first row first, and these are the shades. Look at how gorgeous those shades are. We have more like of a reddish pink color. We have an orange tone and more of a deeper mauve kind of blush. I absolutely love it. So pretty. Next up, we have this row, and this is what the shades look like. So here we have them right here. I absolutely love that color. It's kind of like a peachy pink color. Then we have a nice like rosy pink, and then a deeper burgundy color right there. It is so pretty. This kind of reminds me of fall time. So let's go ahead and try it on my face, on my cheeks, and let's see how good they blend out. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Fancy Pants. I absolutely wanted to test this one out because I love the peachy pink vibes. So let's go ahead and try that one out first. Ooh, look at that pretty shade. Sorry, my brush is shedding a little bit, but how gorgeous. I just love that color right there. So pretty. So we tried Fancy Pants. The color I want to try next is going to be this one, this hot pink one. Ooh, it's very pigmented. Look at the kick up in the pan right there. Hope you can see that. Then with a different brush, I'm gonna go into this one right here, the one called Pretty Posh, and I'm gonna add that like on my nose, on my chin, and my temples, so we can test more shades. I absolutely love the blushes. I love these beautiful warm tones. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use of them. Various shades. I cannot test them all out for you, but I did swatch them for you in the beginning, and I hope that helps a bit. But I absolutely love it. It's very pretty, and I'm definitely going to keep this on my vanity so I can get a lot of use out of it. And moving on to the last Jaclyn Cosmetics item that I'm going to be testing is this, and this is the lip cushion in the color Promised, I believe. Yes, so the lip cushion in the color Promised. Let's go ahead and take it out of its package. Ooh, how pretty. Look at this. This is how it looks right here. So pretty. And here is a doe foot applicator. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one for you. And here is a swatch of the beautiful lip cushion. So we're going to go ahead and try it on our lips. I'm going to go ahead and try it without a lip liner just so we can see the full color and so we can see how it's going to look if we don't use a lip liner. Ooh, they're super creamy and super pigmented, that's for sure. So there is a shade without a lip liner. I'm obviously going to add a lip liner over it just to perfect the lip line, but what do you all think? They are super comfortable on the lips. They look like they're matte, but they absolutely do not feel like they're matte. They feel very creamy, so they feel very comfortable. So let me go ahead and add some lip liner just to kind of even this out. I'm gonna go on with my lip liner in the color Whirl. But what do you think, guys? I absolutely love this blush. I think my favorite that I used today of the little blush palette has to be Fancy Pants right here, because it kind of has like a little sheen to it. Even though you can see it in the pan, I don't know why I see it on my cheeks. And I mean, this one is a really good natural shade, the one I have like on my nose. Overall, I really wanted to try Jaclyn Cosmetics, and I was really blown away with this collection when I saw the packaging and how beautiful it looks. So I had to pick up at least 2 items because they are pricey. They're not affordable makeup products. So I definitely do enjoy this. I love the packaging. I'm a Jaclyn fan, of course. That's why I have her products here. But they're really good. Congratulations to Jaclyn, because she is doing amazing. I hope you enjoyed this mini review video. I will keep on using this in future videos to come, so keep an eye out for that. Let me know what you thought of the blushes and the lip cushion that I tried on for you all today. As always, I am so grateful for you. I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.